from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And as you all know, I have been working on reorganizing my craft room slash craft studio with a drawer system that I've ordered. And it's a 5 drawer system, and I've had to order at least 12 of them. Okay, and you all know that I've been using these little plastic envelopes to store most of my stuff in. Okay, so the way I make the insert here is I have a template that I have measured to the little envelope, but I made it a little smaller than the envelope in order to fit it in. So what I did is I took some white, you can use white scrapbook paper, you can use cereal boxes, you can use whatever packaging you want to do this for storage, okay? And then I outline my template onto my white cardstock, then I trim it out, and then what I do is I give it a dry test, and if it slips in like this, and I fold over my flap and it fits, it's perfect. No more trimming to do, no nothing. And then I slip a label on it. Let me see. There you go. I put a label so I can write what's in here so it's easy for me to see in the drawer. Okay. Now, I'm going to show y'all something here that I do with my laces and trims. If I can find the one that I done, which unfortunately I can't right now. I know I have one with my lace, my crochet trim that I've done last night. Okay. And what I do is I take my crochet trim and I kind of like roll it up. Just a minute, guys. I'll be right there. I want to show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, here's some crochet trim. Now, I could do it this way and it makes it a little bit bulky, but I'm going to redo this one and lay it flat like this. And all I did was take it and wrap it like this, okay, like that. And I went all the way around in a circle. And then what you do is you slip this in. You can also put your backing in here, but for this I don't need it. So all I do is like that, slip it in, and then I seal my flap like that. So this way all the air can come out and it'll go perfect in the drawer. Now, for things that aren't like this, such as these kind of flowers and these kind of flowers, and I'm also doing my stamps like that, okay? Now, my stamps, some of them I have to trim them in half like this one from Inkadinkadoo. It was too long for my envelope. So what I did is I trimmed it in half and stuck both parts in there. And what I do is as I get these done, throw them in a shoebox, and then I put them away once the shoebox is full. I put them in the right drawers. Okay. Now for these here, the reason I have the cardstock behind it is because when I'm going to store it in the drawer, I'm going to show you. Without the cardstock backing, okay, to put these in here, when you put them in the drawer, it will kind of, you know, look kind of floppy in the drawer. And I have plenty of these that don't have it, that I'm going to have to make the backing for them. So, reason being, it looks better in the drawer because I can actually see the name better when I'm flipping through the drawers. So, from this to this to this. So, you got step 1, step 2, and then step 3 is the label. Step 4 is putting whatever you want in it, and then label it for step 5. Okay, so this is the way I'm doing everything. So, again, those are done. So I put them in my shoebox. And there. Look, I can show y'all with this piece is trimmed also. Okay, how I do it. I will take my pen out, take it off of the bolt, because this is my old way of storing it. Okay, then I take it, wrap it around 3 of my fingers to make it small enough. Or you can do all 4 fingers. And then I take it on my desk and I just roll it around like that. This one's going to have to lay flat like this in the packaging. So what I'm trying to do is get all of my likes, like the same trims and stuff like that. And then I label it into the same packaging. Okay. So I can store this just like that. See? Flip it over. Push that down a little bit because I know it fits in there. And then I'm going to take my tape and just seal it. And then take it, put it in my shoebox, and that's that. So it's from this to this, and you add whatever you want in it and then label it. See, I have a whole bunch of them made out, and I keep them to the side. So that is what I'm working on at the moment. Please stay tuned for more organizing tips and tricks. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, please be kind, be caring, be loving, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, craft angels.